Because we need all voices in testing, and we are all solving problems, maybe the same problems differently in different industries, and we can share and learn from each other. So you might have insights that maybe they're not necessarily technical. Maybe it's not a scripting class or how to mock API testing. Maybe it's about psychological safety or emotional intelligence or other areas that do improve your work. So it's a great chance to get your ideas heard and then meet other speakers and share all week. Well, first of all, this is the coolest conference because Agile Testing Days is all about the unicorns and being your authentic self in your testing career. This conference, if you are a speaker, will give you a complimentary registration. You can add on tutorials in the beginning or stay later, but really you're interacting with some of the best minds in software testing and some people that I call my testing heroes who will sign my books when I'm hanging out with them that they've written. So it's just a great benefit to being here is to meet all of these wonderful, smart people. I think Agile Testing Days was my first conference that I spoke at because I knew there was a place here for my ideas. Other conferences can be very good as well, but there's something about Agile Testing Days where you can be yourself, you can be unique, and really appreciate and applaud and celebrate all of the diversity that's at this conference.